Hi everyone, welcome back. This time we are going to model the Panton Chair. Let's dive in. I already created two sketches to import the drawing picture of the chair. One is on the right plane and another is on the front plane. And we change the name right plane to middle plane. Then create a new plane, offsetting from the middle plane 241.5 millimeters. And modify the name as left plane. Then create another new plane, offsetting from the left plane 10 millimeters. And change the direction. Also modify the name as left offset plane. Then we create a new sketch on middle plane and draw supply to align with the middle profile of the chair. Okay, that's it. We finished this sketch. Then create a new sketch on the left offset plane. Also draw supply to copy the side profile of the chair. Here to remain a thickness offset from the broad side. Okay, finish the sketch. Then create a new plane. Select the point and the front plane as reference. And change the name to front offset plane. Then create a new sketch on this plane. Show the drawing picture. First draw a line. Then make this line coincide with the left offset plane. And draw supply on the top. Make the point to be coincide with the point of the middle profile. Here we adjust the point and the direction to fit the profile. Finish this sketch. Then go to Project Curve, select two sketches. And hide the plane. Also hide the drawing. Next, create a new sketch on the left plane. Draw a supply. And also modify the direction and the point position. Finish this sketch, then create a new sketch on the front plane. Draw a supply. and a linear line. Make the direction be vertical. Make these 2 points to be horizontal. Then finish this sketch. Go to Project Curves. Select 2 sketches. Now we have another profile of the broadside. Next, create a new sketch on the top plane. Draw a subline. Make the point to be pierced with the middle profile. Set it horizontal and adjust the middle point. And also make the other 2 points to be pierced with the profiles. After that, we can adjust the curves by modify the point position and direction. Finish the sketch. Create a new plane. Select the middle profile and a point. Create a new sketch on this plane. Draw a subline. Like before, make these 3 points to be pierced with the 3 profiles. Then we adjust the curve. Okay, finish this sketch. Next, create a new plane. Select the middle profile and a point. Then create a new sketch on this plane. Draw a supply. Also, click 3 points. Make 3 points to be pierced with 3 profiles. And the same to adjust the point and the direction. Okay, finish this sketch. And hide these new planes. Next, create a new sketch on the middle plane. First, draw a point. And make this point to be pierced with the middle profile. Then draw a supply. Make this supply to be tangent with the middle profile. And adjust the length. Finish this sketch. Now we have all the sketches. Next, we are going to loft surface. Loft surface. Select 2 profiles and 4 guide curves. And loft another surface. Here to select the edge of the surface and the middle profile. Select 3 guide curves. And modify the start constraint, tangent to face. Modify the factor, 0.4. Finish the loft. Next, mirror these 2 surfaces. Go to Features, Mirror. Select the middle plane. Select 2 faces. Next, to knit all the surfaces. Select all surfaces. Then thicken this surface. Thickness as 10 mm. After that, we are going to fillet the corner and the edges. Now we have the full 3D model of this chair. Here I found an issue. We need to go back to edit again. Edit the surface loft and modify the end constraint to normal to profile. Then we can solve this problem. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.